Sebelum menonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan tekan tombol lonceng. Selamat menyaksikan.
Sesaat lagi Anda akan menyaksikan karantina virtual Putri Bumi Indonesia 2021 dengan narasumber oleh Dodos Domingo Pageants Public Speaking Coach yang akan membahas sesi Be Authentic, Be Consistent, dan Be Perfect. Mari kita ikuti videonya.
Thank you, Monica. Okay, good afternoon, girls. No, what we're going to do right now is that all of you will be given an opportunity to answer one question. You have to presume that you are already in the actual competition, and Monica here and I will be your judges. Okay, so the questions are actually constructed in English, but if you prefer to answer in Bahasa Indonesia, then it's okay, it's fine. And probably our current Miss Earth Indonesia, Monica, would just translate a bit so that I could fully understand your answer. But somehow I could understand, but then I'm not so confident in Bahasa Indonesia. So again, I would like to reiterate that the thing that you have to imbibe in your system is that you should be authentic, you should be consistent, and you should be perfect, at least in the standard of Miss Earth, just like Monica. Okay.
Thank you.
So, so they have specific numbers, right? So we will call them by the number, Monica. So it's like, I will be projecting on the screen the questions, and then you have to answer for 30 seconds. So I won't be saying anything yet. We will try to finish everything, and then I'll be giving, and Monica probably could also give general comments about your performance in this Q&A session. Okay, are you ready, girls? Be authentic, be confident, be consistent, and be perfect. Okay,
Great.
let's start. Okay, so let's start with the first candidate, candidate number 1. Can we highlight candidate number 1?
Yes. Please, candidate number 1, finalis nomor urut 1. And maybe before you answer the question, when your number is called, you could just say your name,
Yes.
introduce your name and your number.
Okay.
So that Mr. Dudes will remember all of you.
Yeah. Okay, candidate number 1, may we have you?
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Dudes. I'm Jessica Grace, and I'm finalist number 1.
Okay, Jessica, are you ready for your question?
I'm ready, Mr. Dudes.
Okay, good luck. This is your question. Oh, oops, sorry. How will you use your social media to promote your advocacy?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dudes, for the questions. How will I use my social media to promote my advocacy? First, I will use my social media to educate people around me, to educate people that use social media too. And I'm going to tell everyone with my social media that we should we should preserve our environment, because we know that now the environment is a lot of issues around there, and we have to educate, we have to socialize that. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Jessica. May we have candidate number 2? Candidate number 2.
Yes. Hello, Mr. Dudes.
Can you
Hello.
introduce yourself?
Okay. I'm Nabila. I'm finalist number 2.
Okay. Defiana Bila, right?
Yes.
Defiana. Okay, this is your question. What important lesson have you learned, or lessons have you learned during the pandemic?
Okay, thank you for the question. Sebelumnya izinkan saya untuk menjawab dalam bahasa Indonesia. Dalam pandemik ini, what important lessons? Menurut saya, selama pandemik ini, saya belajar tentang bagaimana kita untuk beradaptasi dengan sesuatu hal yang baru, lalu dapat melakukan hal-hal yang baru pula dengan kondisi yang ada. Jadi sebagaimana kita supaya dapat terus menjalankan aktivitas kita tanpa hambatan seperti saat ini misalnya kekuatan teknologi ini menjadi sangat berarti karena kita tetap bisa melakukan aktivitas melalui Zoom seperti ini misalnya. Jadi saya rasa hal yang paling penting yang dapat saya ambil dari pembelajaran selama pandemi ini adalah bagaimana kita bisa dapat berusaha untuk dapat beradaptasi dengan sesuatu hal yang sangat baru seperti itu.
Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Monica, can you give one sentence explanation on that?
Okay, all right. I'll just interpret maybe the point of what the finalist number 2 says before, mentioned that the important lessons is adaptation, because the adaptation we need to adapt during the pandemic, and even during this era, the digital era, we could use the technology to adapt well even during the pandemic so that we could still do our activities. I think that's the point.
Thank you. Monica, you're a perfect interpreter.
Thank you. But I still need to learn more from you.
Okay, you're so good, yeah. Okay, candidate number 3. I'm taking down notes and then I'll give general comments later on, and Monica as well. Okay, so number 3.
Hello, Mr. Dude. Good afternoon. My name is Magdalena, and I'm finalist number 3.
Yeah, Magdalena. Okay, so this is your question. What is your view about the legalization of marijuana?
Okay. Before that, let me search about marijuana first. Okay. Oke, izinkan saya pertama-tama untuk menjawab pertanyaan ini dalam bahasa Indonesia, karena saya lebih percaya diri menggunakan bahasa Indonesia. Oke, apa yang saya pikirkan tentang tumbuhan marijuana. Jadi perlu kita ketahui bahwa marijuana ini merupakan salah satu tumbuhan di Indonesia, namun tumbuhan ini adalah salah satu tumbuhan yang dilarang karena ini salah satu tumbuhan yang menjadi bahan dasar dari narkotika. Apa yang saya pikirkan tentang melegalkan tumbuhan ini, menurut saya sebenarnya tumbuhan ini tuh memiliki manfaat di bidang medis, namun dalam porsinya tertentu. Hanya diizinkan pada izin tertentu dan dalam dosis tertentu, tidak diperjualbelikan secara bebas, karena di Indonesia dan di seluruh negara pun menentang penggunaan narkotika secara bebas. Jadi sebagai putri bumi Indonesia, kita juga harus bisa mengedukasi mana tumbuhan yang bisa kita manfaatkan dengan baik dan mana yang harus kita jaga dalam porsinya masing-masing, dan tidak menggunakannya dengan sembarangan agar kita dapat memanfaatkan hasilnya semaksimal mungkin. Seperti itu. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you. Monica, one sentence.
Yes.
Although I get some of the points, but I want, a more focused explanation.
Yes, sure. Indonesia and other countries are against the legalization of marijuana, but then finalist number 3 mentioned that it's okay because marijuana could be used for medical use, but should not be used for other bad activities like that. That's why we need to be aware and educated about the flora or the plants that could be used or that has benefits for us, and the ones that shouldn't be taken for granted and used for bad activities. Sorry if that's
that's my understanding as well. So thank you so much, Monica, for the reinforcement. Number 4, finalist number 4.
Hello, Miss
Mr. Dut.
Yeah, this is
Anjani.
yeah,
Anjani.
Anjani. Okay, Anjani, this is your question. What are the lessons one can learn from nature?
Mohon izin Kak Monica boleh diterjemahkan ke dalam bahasa Indonesia?
Okay, Mr. Dutz, I'll interpret the question
Yes.
in Indonesia. Is it okay?
Yes, yes.
So, what are the lessons one can learn from nature? Jadi, apa saja pelajaran-pelajaran yang bisa kita pelajari dari alam? Silakan, Anjani.
Baik, izinkan saya untuk menjawab dalam bahasa Indonesia karena saya lebih nyaman untuk menjawab dalam bahasa Indonesia. Baik, yang bikin yang alam, mohon maaf Kak Monica, boleh tolong diulang dong Kak?
Ya, seperti apa Anjani maksud? Mohon maaf.
Pertanyaannya Kak.
Baik, pertanyaannya apa saja Kak pelajaran-pelajaran yang bisa kita dapatkan dari alam kita?
Baik, pelajaran yang akan kita pelajari dari lingkungan alam ialah lingkungan sekitar, terus perekonomian laut, terus ada juga pariwisata. Itu saja Kak. Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you, Anjani. So, Mr. Dutz, Anjani mentioned that the lessons we can learn from the nature, there are the tourism sectors and also about the maritime and also other natural resources.
Okay, thank you. I'm taking down notes, don't worry. Number 5, finalist, number 5.
Good afternoon, Mr. Dutz.
Hello, this is Maria Stella Dimax. This is your question. Who or what do you think is the biggest enemy of Mother Earth and why?
Okay, so I think the biggest enemy of Mother Earth is human itself, but human also can be the best friend of the Earth because human can make a decision and can choose between destroy the Earth or save the planet. So I think human is in both sides. It's the human can be Earth best friend, but also can be an enemy. So as a human, we need to choose wisely. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Candidate number 6. Candidate number 6, where are you? Where is?
Okay, candidate number 6, please. Okay. Rambu, silakan.
Hello, Mr.
Hi, Rambu. This is your question, Rambu. Why should you be the next Miss Earth Indonesia?
Okay, I think the network of Rambu is not really good. Rambu, bisa mendengarkan suara kami? Halo Rambu, apakah suara kami terdengar?
Halo.
Baik Rambu, pertanyaan untuk Rambu adalah sebagai berikut, silakan menjawab.
I think we...
Okay, Mr. Dutz, we're so sorry. I think Rambu's network is not really good.
Yeah, I think she has a connection problem. So let's move first to, and don't worry, I have loads of questions to ask.
Great.
So
And
let's
I think
move.
everyone are nervous, but it's
No,
okay.
relax,
Just stay
relax,
calm and
girls.
relax
Okay.
because
Do not,
yes.
yeah, do not take this as an examination. We are practicing, and you won't be. You are judged here. On a lighter mode, no, on a lighter side. We're not judging your personality here. We're judging you in order for you to improve later on. So don't, I mean, just relax. Answer what comes into your mind. The first thing that comes into your mind, say that. Okay.
Yes. Great.
Okay. So let's move
Semangat
to
semuanya.
the seventh candidate. Okay, Lara Sati. Lara.
Hello, Mr. Jude.
Hello. This is your question.
I
As
am Lara
Good
Sati.
Earth Ambassador, what are the measures you can offer to address over pollution?
Okay, thank you for the question. I will answer with bahasa. Salah satu cara mengurangi dari polusi di sini sesuai dengan advokasi saya, yaitu arsitektur hijau, di mana saya akan menanam tanaman atau tumbuhan-tumbuhan di dalam rumah. Itu akan menjadikan salah satu dampak yang baik untuk kedepannya adalah mengurangi polusi udara, maupun nanti dapat juga mengurangi dampak buruk dari adanya perubahan iklim yang ekstrim. Terima kasih.
Miss Interpreter?
I'll be your interpreter today. Okay,
Sorry,
so
Monica.
she's a green architect, and that's why she will always grow plants and also flowers inside the buildings that she works on, because it could help reduce the carbon dioxide and also helps slows down the climate change.
Okay, thank you. Let's have candidate number 8.
I think candidate number 8 is not here, so
Okay, let's
we'll
go
move
to
on
number
to
9.
number 9.
Hello, good afternoon, Mr. Dude. I'm Keisha. I'm so pleased to meet you again.
Yeah, Keisha. Okay, so this is your question. In your opinion, what differentiates Miss Earth Indonesia from other beauty pageants in the country?
Thank you for the question, Mr. Dude. I think the difference between Miss Earth Indonesia and other beauty pageant is the individual itself. As a Miss Earth myself, of course, Miss Earth Indonesia finalist, I believe that me and all the girls in here, we all have the same idea of saving our beloved Mother Earth. And I think that really differentiates other beauty pageant, because other beauty pageant, they probably only have their expertise in certain area, but ours, it's about saving our Mother Earth. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Let's have candidate number 10.
Hello, sir.
Okay, number 10 is Beatrice.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is your question. As a beauty queen full of vision, what can you do to make this world a better place?
Baik, silakan Beatrix untuk menjawab pertanyaannya. Beatrix, apakah suara kami terdengar? Baik, Beatrix.
Izinkan saya menjawab pakai bahasa Indonesia. Saya akan membuat dunia lebih baik lagi dengan cara membuang sampah pada tempatnya yang pasti, karena yang saya pikir advokasi saya adalah untuk melindungi bumi kita dari sampah. Jadi untuk sampah itu lebih baik digunakan atau dikreatifkan lagi dengan cara yang kreatif dan inovatif. Dan yang lainnya masih banyak lagi seperti mengurangi polusi udara, mengurangi limbah dan masih banyak yang lainnya. Terima kasih.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Dude. So Beatrix mentioned that we need to reduce the waste, the garbage, and through a creative ways. And also we need to also help reduce the pollution. That's the point.
Okay, thank you. Let's move to candidate number 11.
Hello, Mr. Dude. Good afternoon.
Okay, do we? Okay. So this is your question. Humans are to blame for the environmental degradation. Do you agree or disagree?
Baik, silakan Dwi. Baik, Dwi. Apakah suara kami terdengar?
Halo ya, Kak.
Ya, silakan.
Mr. Dude, I will answer in bahasa.
Okay.
Menurut saya setuju tidak setuju dengan menyalahkan manusia sebagai untuk perusak alam, karena ya memang kita sebagai manusia seharusnya bisa lebih menjaga lingkungan. Dan di sini saya setujunya karena memang di sini manusia yang bisa menjaga lingkungan sekitar. Manusia lebih bisa menjaga lingkungan jikalau memang manusia itu sadar diri akan pentingnya sebuah lingkungan. Itu kita bisa menjaga lingkungan secara bersama-sama. Dan di sini saya sendiri sebagai manusia itu lebih introspeksi diri agar kita bisa lebih menjaga lingkungan sekitar lagi. Terima kasih.
Okay, Miss Interpreter.
Thank you, Dwi. So she mentioned that she agrees with the statement because humans are the one who are in charge to help the environment, and we need to raise the awareness of the people so that we could also help the environmental to get better and better again.
Okay, thank you, Monica. Candidate number 12.
Good afternoon, Mr. Dude.
Okay.
My name is Ayu Kusuma. I'm a finalist number 12.
Okay. How do you call your name? Maddie? Maddie Ayu. Okay, this is your question. What gives you the greatest sense of fulfillment?
Baik, apakah teman-teman jika membutuhkan saya atau membutuhkan Monica untuk translate pertanyaannya, silakan diomongkan.
I want to answer. The greatest sense of fulfillment of me is I will collaborate with Trust Hero Kuta Bali campaign in collecting plastic waste and releasing hatchlings on the Turtle Bay Kuta. Besides that, I also participated in planting mangroves, tree and rare tree in Kuta. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Candidate number 13.
Hello, Mr. Dudes. My name is Villain. I'm finalist number 13.
Yeah, okay, Villain. Villain, this is your question. What is the most useful mobile application for you in this time of pandemic?
Okay, so there are a lot of mobile application in the pandemic situation, but what is the most useful mobile application for me is Zoom, Google Meeting. It's for make the meeting. So, and the other one, mobile application that useful is the social media. So we can communicate, we can know the newest update, because as we know, social media is one of the biggest media to give the information about the pandemic. So we can see the news, we can see the video, and we can see the update of the pandemic. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Candidate number 14.
Terima kasih Anda sudah menyaksikan karantina virtual Putri Bumi 2021 dengan narasumber oleh Dodos Domingo Pageants Public Speaking Coach. Pentingnya mempersiapkan diri dalam menghadapi sesi interview dengan seseorang yang akan menilai Anda dalam kompetisi. Next.